In this video, I will show you how to tackle Jupyter Notebook launching issue. We have to do following the things. Jupyter Notebook launching solution. If the Jupyter Notebook launches an issue in Anaconda Navigator, do the following things. What we will do? We do the following necessary things. During installations, do not give the directory with space. The space issue. There should not be any space in the installation directory. Okay. Try repeatedly to launch the Jupyter Notebook until an error message shows on the screen and copy this message on the notepad. Again and again open or launch the Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator 2 to 3 times. Then it will show an error message. An error message will show a permission error on a given directory as shown in the figure from here. This is an error message in Notepad that we already pasted. An error message will show a permission error on a given directory as shown in the figure and give full permissions. What is the solution? Give full permissions to the JP server, and here we will go this option JP server and right click on that and give full permissions as shown in the video. Let's move to the video part where I will show the installation, where we'll make the necessary things for the installation purpose, and then we'll show how to tackle this error. As I have the downloaded Anaconda software in my downloads directory, I will just double click to install. I will show what will the error, and for this I have to show the installation directory where I show you the space issue. Do not mention any space. Give the directory which have no space. Just me. Recommended. Next. Okay, this is the installation directory and there should not be any space in this directory. So make a simple directory with no space option. Okay, just check the video. Okay, from the browse, I will make a new directory for you in C drive Anaconda. Make a new directory Anaconda. Okay, just okay again, this no, again select in C drive. Already I have make Anaconda. Okay, just select it and there is no space. Kindly make sure. Next, and check first 3 options and go there. And it will take 10 to 15 minutes depending upon your systems. Yes, it is finished, completed. Next, let's go to the launching problem of Jupyter Notebook. Launch Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is opening and you will see that lot of packages are uploading, are loading, still loading. You can check it from the right bottom. And all packages will load. Then we launch Jupyter Notebook. Okay, there will be option of update. No, remind me later. And now we launch the Jupyter Notebook and it is not launching. I hit it 2 to 3 times and wait for the error message on the screen. First click, wait for 2 to 5 seconds, then again launch it until you get an error message. Yes, this is an error message. Just copy this message, and this is the error message. Copy this text and paste it in on a notepad file. Okay, by launching it. Yes, new and text file. Yes, and paste it. Here you will get an error message number 13, permission 13, permission denied. For this reason, Jupyter Notebook was not launching properly. Okay, we will go this directory, runtime after in C drive, go to this directory, C, copy and go in C drive, not in browser. Go in computer directory and paste here, and you will get an authorize option. Just continue, press continue, or again you can make a copy and go these options and you will get this. Okay, here you get JP server and try to click on this JP server and give full permissions. Try to make on all JP servers you are getting JP server. This number is will not there, but there will be a matching number there. You can click on anyone and go to the security options. Right click, properties and security. You will get edit. Go the edit option and mark all, full permission. You are giving full control. You are giving full permissions, and then okay. The rest check all these, go through all these and check their properties, security. Yes, you already given all permissions, no problem here. The problem is resolved now. Okay, and just for the rechecking, I am checking and checking the properties and securities. Yes, here is also an option. Yes, give full permissions. JP server, give all JP servers full permissions. Also I went back directory, runtime and security. Yes, no option, there is nothing need to do this. Before that I have completed all the things, and try to this, it will resolve your issue. And let's again launch the Jupyter Notebook. Yes, I am launching. Yeah, the problem is resolved. The issue was the permission denied, and you give the full permissions by checking the 3 clicks. That's it. Thank you very much.